Hey guys, welcome to my another video of unboxing. So today we are going to unbox a realme buds 2 earphone which I bought from Amazon. So before starting the video, please subscribe my channel and hit the like button and share it. As you can see, the earphones, guys, I have already unboxed before. Again I am unboxing for you. As you can see, the build quality is awesome. And there is brand name realme. And today also we are going to test with a game. We are going to play a Free Fire. In length also it's very long, as you can see. And there is a magnet in this. You can see the brand name Realme. There is extra earbuds with this and the guide. So now we will test with a game. My phone is C type, so I need to apply a C type cable, then only it will be connected with my phone. So I will apply my earphone. As you can see, I am playing a match. Its sound quality is awesome as compared to the before earphones which I have bought, that V-Cool earphone, the C type earphone. It's much better than that earphone. Its sound quality is just amazing, guys. It's much better than before earphone, C type V-Cool earphone. So if you like this video, then please subscribe and hit the like button and share it. If you have any question, then please comment it down.